Well, excuse me, everyone, but Charity and I would like to make an announcement.
Today went well.
Better than expected.
What's going on here? I got a feeling I'm being left out of something. Y'all know how I despise that feeling.
Daddy, I already told Mama.
Jacob is having an affair with Alexa. He promised today at therapy that he would stop, but he obviously has no real intention of doing so.
What are you talking about?
You texted the wrong person, Jacob. Anybody can read it.
Carissa, now is not the
I'm
time.
sorry. I have tried prayer, therapy. I tried trading a trip to Las Vegas for an ounce of respect. And I don't know what else to do. I'm sorry. What was your news?
We're having twins.